In sublesson 7.4, we'll talk about centralized logs and logging services. We talked a little bit when we were configuring our syslog about how to send log files to a central server. It's worth expounding on that a bit. So as we discussed, local log files are not necessarily completely accurate. They're subject to being interfered with. A local user could modify them or delete records or move them. Central log servers can help you consolidate logs so that if you have many servers across your environment, all of those log messages from those various servers could go to a single server. Gives you one place to look. It's just a simpler approach. You can configure our syslog in the manner that we saw before, using the @@ syntax or the single @ for UDP to send messages to a given IP address at a given port. An alternative is to use a service for this purpose. Cloud-based services are very common these days, or even local log services. One very common one is Splunk. Another up-and-coming service is known as Sumo Logic. The idea with a logging service is that it sends messages to some collector running. For instance, this is the Sumo Logic method. There's a Java daemon running on a given server. All of these log messages are added together and put into a message to the collector service, which then sends it over the internet to Sumo Logic's backend. At the Sumo Logic backend, you can log in with your own username and password, search through your messages, graph them, sort them, perform all sorts of queries and analytics on your log messages. This is a really nice way to get super powerful details about your environment and is really valuable in an environment that collects a lot of data. So check out Sumo Logic or Splunk when you start to have complex logging needs.